Come on, you lads of high renown, I would hear of a fair young lady, and she rode out of a summer's day for to view the soldiers parading. They marched so bold and they looked so gay, the colours flying and the bands did play, which caused young Mary for to say, "Oh, where'd you make gallant soldier?" She viewed the soldiers on parade, and as they stood at their leisure, and Mary to herself did say, "At last I found me treasure, but oh, I could all my parents must be, to banish me darling so far from me. Will I leave them all and I'll go with thee, me bold undaunted soldier." Oh, Mary dear, your parents' love, I pray don't be unruly, for when you're in a foreign land, believe me, you'll rule it surely. Perhaps in battle I might fall from a shot from an angry cannonball, and you so far from your daddy's hall, be advised by a gallant soldier. Well, I have 50 guineas in bright gold, likewise a heart that's bolder, and I'll leave them all and I'll go with you, the bold and daunted soldier. So don't say no, but let me go, and I will face the daring foe, and we'll march together to and fro, and I'll wed you, me gallant soldier. And when he saw her loyalty, and Mary so true-hearted, he said, "Me darling, married we'll be, and nothing but death will part us. And when we're in a foreign land, I'll guard you, darling, with my right hand," in hopes that God might stand a friend to Mary and her gallant soldier.